Let's dive in. Flat floor plans are great for basic layouts, but they lack depth. Here's where Gemini AI comes in, transforming these basics into stunning 3D models. With Gemini AI, you can upload your flat plan instantly. Its advanced algorithms analyze every corner, preparing for transformation. The magic happens here. Gemini AI generates textures, colors, and furniture layouts, making each space feel alive. In just a few clicks, your flat plan morphs into an interactive 3D experience. Bring your designs to life. Perfect for real estate. Impress clients with immersive tours, showcasing every detail of the new design. Step into the future of design with Gemini AI, where flat floor plans are just the beginning of your creative journey. Share your 3D visualizations easily. Use them for marketing, showcasing potential in a compelling way. Feedback is instant. Makes real-time adjustments based on client preferences, ensuring satisfaction. Transform concepts into reality, ensuring every design meets your vision with Gemini's customizable options. Whether it's homes or offices, Gemini AI makes every space reflect the unique personality of its owner. Ready to amaze? Start transforming your floor plans today and unleash your imagination with Gemini AI. Join the revolution in design. Embrace the power of 3D visualization today.